Hello guys, in this video I'll be showing you how you can change your FreeShow themes, and it's really simple. Just go over to the setting icon here, come to themes, and then you get some presets right here. So you could switch to aqua, you could switch to black. Got a theme you like this, you could do that. You could change to, there are different types that you could change to here. And if you are not satisfied with anyone here, you can actually click on add here to add a different one if you want to, and you can just create your own custom themes. I can call these, let me just give it just name like text, or I say personal. So with the personal right here, you can change a lot of things. Your primary color, you choose your primary color. If you want it, you can choose the color here to fit your brand color if you want it to be that way. And then you choose your primary. You want it a lighter color, so you could use this color picker to pick this and then find a lighter shade for that particular color. So I do this, and then that's pretty fine. And then for the secondary color, you want to choose a color that's based on your choice. You can just choose any color you want. Let's say I'm going for something like this. For the text, I want it to still be white. For the selection, let's say I want it to be this deep color. So do you understand? Just as you have it here. So now that's make do for my personal right here. So I've successfully set up my own preset for this theme. So if I go ahead to show, you could see right here that it's using my own themes. However, you know, this not for me. I don't really like this, but it's just for practice purpose, just for you to see how you can actually create your own themes right inside of FreeShow. And I think this is pretty cool. If you find this video helpful, give me a like, give me a thumbs up, and then don't forget to subscribe so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. Thank you for checking it out. See you later. Bye.